Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clothing haul. Today I have things from Cotton On, H&M, and then a store called Takkie Town. They just sell like different brands of Takkies in one store basically. So yeah, I'm gonna jump right in and tell you all the sizes and the prices. And yeah, if you want to see everything that I got, then just keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clothing haul. Today I have things from Cotton On, H&M, and a store called Takkie Town. They're just a store that sells a bunch of different brands in one place. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all those things. Also, my windows are open, so if you hear like outside noise, that's probably why. I will try and cut it out as much as I can, but like that I can't really, you know, whatever. I will try and cut it out. I will try and cut the noise out as much as I can, but if you want to see everything that I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Cotton On because I got the least amount of stuff from there. First thing that I got is this black cup. It came in this box. It was 300 bucks, normal retail price, but in store it was $3.99. So Typo has different prices in store than they do online, which is kind of messed up, but whatever. It's the metal smoothie cup. I spoke about it in the previous haul where I held this top that I'm wearing, but yeah, it's just this matte black cup. So pretty. I'm obsessed. I had a smoothie in it the other day. It stayed cold literally the whole day. I left it in the car and I came back. We were parked in covered parking, but I left in the car and we came back and it was still iced. So that's amazing. But yeah, I love it. Really happy with the purchase. I made the purchase on Cyber Monday, so I got it for $2.50, which is not really that much of a discount, but you know, we take what we can get. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second piece that I got is this cute little Peplum top. I've been speaking about, well, I actually told my mom and my sister that like a while ago that I really wanted like a Peplum top, and they weren't doing them a lot in the store, but as soon as I said it, I just noticed them a lot more in stores. So this is one from Cotton On. It's this cute one, so cute. So this whole top portion is the stretchy material, and then the bottom is just like a normal cotton, feels like cotton. And then this was the last one on the rack. This is called the Curved Daisy Off the Shoulder Peplum top in white. I got it in a US 20, Australian 24, and a European 52. So this top was originally priced at $3.50, I think. Yeah, $3.50. It was marked down to $200, but I went to the retail outlet that's close to my house. Is at Retail Crossing. They had this on a rack that was buy one get one free. So whatever item you bought, if you bought an item of the same price or cheaper, you would get the second one for free. So I got this item and the next item both for $200. They were both individually priced at 200 bucks, but because they were on this rack, I got both of them for 200 bucks. So that's pretty cool. But I love this top. It's so cute. I would definitely pair this outfit together. The second item that I got is this cute denim short. You'll see it properly in the charm portion, but I mean, look at this wash. It's got the wide thigh, well, the wide leg, which is amazing. I got this in a US 16, European 42, and an Australian 20. It's from their Curve collection. Yeah, this was also priced at 200 bucks. Original price I don't know because it's not on here, but they're so cute. I love them. I didn't think they were gonna fit when I took them off the rack. I genuinely didn't think they were gonna fit, but they do. They've got pockets in the front and the back, which is, you know, everything. They're pretty short though. They're on the shorter side. I think the inseam is what, like 3 inches, maybe 2. I think an inch more would have been like clutch, but we move, we wear the clothes, we look cute, you know. That's just the way that it goes. That's everything from Cotton On. And then moving on to H&M, I got this jersey. Is this a jersey? It doesn't say, but it's a very thick jersey, like a cardigan basically. It's that material. It's got this wannabe bat wing. This was on sale, by the way. This was $150, original price $379. I got it in an extra large. I think one size up would have been amazing, but this is the only size that they had. I got it in this beautiful beige color. I was saying, it's this wannabe bat wing that kind of confused me. It wants to be a bat wing, but it's not like big enough to be a bat wing, or maybe I'm just like filling it out too much, whatever. And then it's very cinched in at the wrists. It's cute. It's nothing like, you know, amazing, but I like it. The next top I really like. It's this basic black tee. This is in a size 2XL and it was $179. I literally want this in like every color in the world. It's so comfortable. It's literally the lightest material ever. You can literally see me right through it. But yeah, I love it. Love it. Cannot wait to wear it. I literally want to go get more. It's so comfortable, so stretchy. Yeah, need more of these. The next thing that I got is a pair of jeans. So I didn't buy too many jeans because in the previous haul I showed you 2 pairs of jeans, I think. They were jeggings. But anyway, this time I actually bought like genuine denim. And for some reason I thought that my size in the jegging would be the same to my size in this denim. Which to some extent is true. Because these fit, they're just a lot more snug because the jegging material is so super stretchy. But anyway, I got this pair of denim jeans. These are the super skinny high waist jeans from the H&M Plus section. I got these in a UK 24, European 52. And they're part of their Embrace collection. And it says, our smart stretch denim that adapts to your body for the most flattering and comfortable fit. So they do fit. They're a little bit tighter than the jeggings, given that they're actual denim. I understand. So yeah, I got these in the same size as the jegging, which is a US 24. Which is a UK 24. This is pretty light wash. I love a good light wash, and this wash here, this little stripe section is literally like, you know, makes me weak in the knees. I love that. And then it's got a rip. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to fall on my knees, but I am pretty short. I'm 157 centimeters. Well, the last time I checked, I was 157 centimeters. And so yeah, I got some extra material bunching up at the bottom. The bottom is just like a frayed cut. There's no hemming or anything, it's just frayed. But yeah, these fit. They have pockets in the front and the back. So cute. Love the wash, and I can't wait to wear these. I love them. I love this wash. I don't have anything in this color. I have a pair of jeans in a light, really light blue, but it's a very uniform wash. This is very almost borderline acid, but not really. This has got a lot of dimension in it, whereas the ones that I have are just like a plain one color blue. But yeah, I love these. I'm obsessed. They also had them in a dark wash, which my mom got. I wanted the dark wash, but the previous 2 jeans that I showed you, they were both dark washes, so I thought I should change it up with a light wash. So I'm really happy I got that. These jeans retail for 679 rand, so they're pretty expensive. they're definitely more expensive than the jeggings. They did still have the jeggings that I showed you in my previous video, but I didn't want to get the same pair of jeans. I wanted to switch it up, so I got that one instead. The next thing that I have here is this Lint Roller. This is what it looks like. They have really cute ones with different patterns and everything. This strip that's open now is like used. It's been used already, so that's why it's so, you know, linty. But yeah, it's just one of those like cleaning things. Yeah, super exciting. That was 29 bucks, but I needed it at the store because I had tried on a hoodie and I was wearing a black top, and then when I took the hoodie off I had white stuff all over me, like white fuzz. So I decided to get one of these, and I was literally in the store like rolling. My sisters were rolling me, literally everyone was rolling me. And yeah, we got it off, and yeah, this is all of it. Yep, fun story behind that. Yeah, so that was 29 rand. And then the next thing that I purchased is this cute little crossbody bag. I had a crossbody bag that I used to wear all the time. Literally, I used to wear it non-stop. That was the only bag that I carried, and then it ripped. And so I bought 2 backpacks from DMF, like the Kendall and Kylie ones, and I've been wearing those ever since. But I finally repurchased a little crossbody bag. This one was $2.50, and it's from this brand. It's by this brand. It's super nicely sized. Like, I can fit my phones in here, I can fit my camera. Super nice. It's got a nice long adjustable strap. I cannot wait to wear this bag. I'm so excited. It's got silver hardware, which is really nice because I like I like wearing silver jewelry, so that's really nice. All the hardware on the bag is silver, and the brand writing is also silver, so that's really, really nice. I'm excited about that. And then last but certainly not least, I got a pair of socks. I wear socks all the time, mainly because I wear sneakers all the time. This is a 7-pack. I didn't even check the size. Is that crazy? I literally just took a pair of socks because I didn't think they had sizes, but luckily this is a size 6 to 7.5. That would have been awkward. They were 150 bucks, and there's 7 of them in here. But yeah, this is the, well, second last thing. Okay, so now we're moving on to the sneakers. So I bought a pair of Converse and a pair of Vans. So the pair of Converse that I bought are just the classic white high tops. They were 750 bucks, and I got them in a size 6. This is what they look like. I had a pair, but I wore them so much that they started ripping at the back here, like literally right along this line, and so you could see the supporting thing inside of the shoe. But I love this. Look how nice and clean and new they look. Oh my gosh, I love these. So I just basically replaced the pair that I have because they were old and I couldn't really wear them. Well, I could wear them, but you know, it's nice to get a fresh new pair. So yeah, I got a pair of those. And then lastly, I got these Vans. These are just like the black and white ones that literally everyone and their mom has. These are just black on black, which I love. Hold up. This is what they look like. I think they're so nice. The guy at the store said they're so easy to maintain because it's the black on black. I was going to take, this was my original first choice. And then I saw the cranberry, is that what it's called? Yeah, like the cranberry on white color. And I really, really want that. I might just go back and get that. Yeah, I might just go back for that cranberry pair. It's so nice, but this is super easy maintenance, literally barely any maintenance. I love these. I love Vans. They're so comfortable. The selection was between a Converse low top one and this one, and I obviously went with the Vans because they are just dumb comfortable. I actually want to go get a pair of the white on black ones because the one that I have is a size 5. I don't even know how I managed to, you know, walk out of a store with the size 5. But anyway, I walked out with a size 5, and so I don't wear them as often as I would like because they're so uncomfortable. So I definitely want to go back and get another pair of the classic white on black, and then also the white on cranberry. So I can have a selection of Vans to wear. But yeah, everything that I just showed you roughly cost about 3,000 rand, I think. Yeah, pretty sure, like just under 3,000 rand, because I'm pretty sure we had change. But yeah, that is everything that I've got for you today. I really hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed seeing my selection of things. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on all my social media, mainly Instagram and Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, you can get my videos in your feed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.